You spoke, they listened. Big changes afoot to C classification rules in the UK. Hello, I'm Ian, coming to you from sunny Malta on holiday, but I had to get a very quick video out today because some fairly impressive news from the CAA released today. You may remember just less than a month ago they put out a consultation to gauge our views on making changes or extending the provisions given to unclassified legacy drones. This of course is all to do with the numeric C classifications that are coming in under the new EASA based rules that was announced and came into force at the beginning of 2021. And the end of that transition period was due to end at the end of 2022. Trouble is, at the moment, you still cannot buy any model in the UK or Europe for that matter that has actually got one of these new numeric C classifications. Time was running out, so they actually reached out and said, what should we do? And we gave them a fairly impressive message because in the summary they give on this very clear and concise document they've published today, 97% of us said they were in favour of extending the provisions currently given to unclassified legacy drones. Of those, 78% said that they were in favour of extending it for 24 months or beyond. What was very interesting was they also categorised the comments. There was a section on the consultation that allowed you to put in an additional comment. And they have categorised those into, well, the main ideas that came out from the consultation. One was the worry and concern about the amount of electronic waste from these drones that are perfectly good today that become semi-redundant tomorrow. And of course, there was the monetary implication that a lot of us have invested a lot of money into buying this equipment. And again, it was going to be rendered semi-obsolete just at the drop of a hat. So very, very interesting to hear what they've said today. They're making a recommendation to the Department for Transport that these provisions are not only extended indefinitely, but they're actually going to undertake a re-evaluation exercise for the entire C classification to make sure that it is fit for purpose. So, big changes there. Now, I don't really want to go into too much detail because, frankly, it's the evening and dinner is calling. But I'm going to put a link to the document below. And even though it's a document coming from the CAA, it is refreshingly short and very, very clear. And it makes some really, really interesting reading. So I would recommend you click the link, have a read, have a chuckle and think and say to yourself, wow, they've actually listened. So, like I said, very, very quick video today, but to me, I think it's very, very good news. They've clearly listened to our concerns and they're going to do something about it. So anyway, on that note, like I said, link below, have a read, put your comments below. I'm sure a lot of you have got a lot of things to say. Keep it civil though, because you may have some differing opinions. But either way, I'd love to hear what you've got to think about all of this. Anyway, like I said, dinner, beer, calls, wherever you are in the world. Until next time, have fun. Happy flying.